Every morning at 8, the same email. Yesterday at Northwind, a table, a total, except on the mornings when nothing happened. And then it arrives anyway, with a heading, a header row, and nothing underneath. So let's build the one that knows the difference. 3 steps, that is the whole workflow. Schedule, every day. WP tables, find the records. Email, send the template. No iterator, no parser, no branch. Step 2 does more than you think. WP tables, find multiple records, yesterday's orders, and it hands you back 2 things: records, which is your array, and count, which is a number. Most people use the records and ignore the count. The count is the one that saves you. Now the template and its data tab. 3 keys: record count, records, and the day. That is the contract, and the workflow fills it. The rows are the easy part because we did this in the first video. A loop block, data source, records, loop variable, item. Build 1 row, the editor fills in the rest. And if the array is empty, the whole loop collapses on its own. You do not have to do anything about the rows. The heading is what needs a rule, and the header row, and the total, because those are separate blocks and they will happily render over nothing. So all 3 get the same one. Record count not equals 0. And the line you actually want on a quiet morning gets the opposite. Record count equals 0. Now, why equals 0 and not is empty? Because we proved this last time. Is empty asks whether something is an empty string, and 0 is not an empty string. 0 is a character. Point is empty at a count and it will never fire, not once. Equals 0 asks the question you actually meant, and it matches exactly. Same panel, same 5 operators. You just have to pick the one that is true. Tuesday, 14 orders. Heading, header row, 14 rows, total. The quiet line, gone. Sunday, nothing. 1 sentence. No heading over an empty table. No total of nothing. 1 template, 1 workflow, 3 steps. The loop handles the many, the count handles the none, and that is the whole series in 1 email.